Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY guy, and do you want to do ceramic coating right on your car? I'll show you how. All right, guys, so you can tell I am not in my garage. I'm at Prestige Auto Salon today with Jack, the owner. Jack, what are we doing today?
So we're going to be applying STEK's Final Coat ceramic coating to his X3. It's a wonderful product that protects the paint from the elements, provides depth to the paint, keeps it cleaner longer, makes cleaning it a lot easier. It's really a fantastic product if you want to make your car look new for a long time.
Yeah, I love this, and you know, I've done ceramic coating myself, but some of the products you really want a pro to do. Plus, we need to do paint correction.
Yeah, the prep's super important. I mean, we're gonna get it all detailed, washed. We're gonna get the clay bar done on it. We're gonna get it all polished out, make sure we have the cleanest surface we can before we apply the product.
This isn't gonna be a DIY, but more of a summary, and also why you wanna take a look at STEK's products. All right, dude, let's do it.
Game time.
All right, prep is all done, as you can see. Now we're actually getting to the ceramic coat itself. The STEK product is gonna go on really, really easy. I'm super excited on the differences it's gonna make. You can already see the difference in the paint correction, but this is really going to bring out the paint and help protect it too. So let's jump in, let's see what it looks like. So this is both the results of the amazing paint correction that they've done, and there was really quite a bit of work they needed to do. They picked up some rock chips and some scratches and that sort of thing, and you want to make sure that you do it right when you're set up to do ceramic coating like this. But this looks so good. Now this car is what BMW calls carbon black, where in the dark it looks black, but right now under these lights, and especially with this ceramic coating on, it looks very, very blue. The blue is so much more evident now. And at times with some of the lights at the right angle, it actually looks sapphire blue, which is crazy. I've never seen it look that bright. I mean, you can see right now, stepping back, how blue the car is. So paint correction was great. The ceramic coating is really bringing out that color. I am so excited to have this done. And this is a fantastic product from STEK. And if, like I said, if you're here in the Seattle area, you get a chance to come by here at Prestige, talk with the owner, Jack. Great, great folks with an incredible level of skill, and they've done amazing work here on the X3. I couldn't be happier. All right, y'all, all done. I could not be more excited to have this on my car. This STEK Final Coat looks amazing. the staff here at Prestige Auto Salon has done a fantastic job cleaning the car up, and my paint was a little rough, I'll freely admit it. They've cleaned it up really, really nicely, and the ceramic coat is gonna look great. It's gonna help keep the car cleaner, it's gonna help protect the paint a little bit, and it's just gonna really, really brighten up the color, which I absolutely love. I'm incredibly grateful for STEK to be part of this, and make sure to check out my two-part project because we also did STEK window tint as well, so make sure to check that out. But I'm really grateful to them and Jack and Prestige Auto Salon. They've done a fantastic job. Please make sure to click like and subscribe. It makes a genuine difference to my channel and I would truly appreciate it. I'll see you on my next video.